Withdrawal sa FX. So, gaano ba katagal bago natin ma-receive yung proceeds from our Forex withdrawal? Well, it depends sa maraming bagay. Like, it could be sa mismong processing system ng ating broker. It could be sa bank or yung payment channel na ginagamit natin. I've said this based on my experience. Ayan. So, I've been with several brokers since I've doing Forex since 2019. And I've also used several payment channels like Skrill, Neteller, and bank transfer. Well, but for now, I'm more of bank transfers na lang. So, for most of you who have watched my previous videos, you know that I do process my Forex withdrawal during Fridays kasi I call it as my self-pay day. But a month ago, I opened another Forex account with FBS and I've made 2 withdrawals na since then. And so far, itong recent, ito yung pinakamatagal before I got to receive yung proceed. So, I processed the withdrawal last August 21 and I'm expecting the proceed to be received through my Union Bank account. I received the payment just today, August 28. Prior to this withdrawal, I made a similar transaction last August 9 and I received the proceeds 2 days after. So, for both transaction, I feel I have to contact the customer service of Union Bank, and in fairness, very responsive naman sila. Itong recent transaction ko, ang sabi sa email, kasi nga naman 3 to 5 days yung processing, and it just so happened that there are holidays in between, diba, yung Friday and this Monday. So technically 3 days lang naman talaga, and na-receive ko na yung withdrawal ko. So actually, I'm not sure if it has something to do with the relationship between the broker and the receiving bank. In my case, Union Bank. So, with my previous broker kasi, which is Octa Asia, the withdrawal and receiving of fund is very fast. The shortest, in fact, is only 18 minutes, and the longest waiting hour back then na na-experience ko is 2 hours. The receiving bank is the same, which is Union Bank. So, with that, for me, I guess I'll just stick with my Friday payday. Nag-adjust lang naman ako kasi kinonsider ko na 2 days na yung processing with FBS. Kaya, Wednesday ako post ng withdrawal. So, balik na lang siguro ako with my Friday payday. I'll just expect to receive the proceeds mga 3 to 5 business days after. So, there, co-traders, especially dun sa mga new ones, if you are planning to make a withdrawal and you are with the same brokers that I am with, and you are using the same payment channel, consider the days that you have to wait. It is important, especially if you have plans where to put that proceeds, like if you will be using it for vacation, weekend shopping, or importantly, if you will be paying bills that have deadlines. Importante yon to consider para hindi kayo magkaroon ng problems with late payment. So there. If you have other experiences pertaining to withdrawal, you may want to share some tips and advices to your fellow traders. So that's it. Happy trading!